Hey guys, today I'm gonna be playing Minecraft with my cousin, and he hasn't really played with me before, so it's gonna be his first time playing with me on mobile. So you won't be able to hear him because I'm on an Xbox chat with him. So I'm gonna okay. I started my recording. Wait, so. After this video, I'm gonna... Oh, okay. Can you pick it up for me, please? Thank you. After this video, I'm gonna... Next time I play with anybody, I'm gonna be... I'm gonna have I'm gonna put a voice chat on my phone so you can hear him too. Yeah, they can't hear you. So I'm going to be talking to nothing, but I'm actually going to be talking to my cousin. Is it okay if I say your name? Okay. Some people don't want me to say their name. We can do that in a little bit. So we're probably going to do it in the next video, so we're going to do it today. Sometime today. But it will probably be in the next video. Okay, you can have it. You want to help me get some animals? All I need is one cow. I always keep some wheat for my cow. Oh, I'll take this sheep. Even though it's a baby. Oh, yeah. I've made an obsidian sword. No! That chicken! Come back here. I need to unsit my dog. Like, he rounds the sheep up. Isn't that funny? Because he stands there like, where is my dog? Where is he? Oh, I remember. He's in here, isn't he? Mm-hmm. He's fine. Just don't hit him with fire aspect like what's on my sword. What? Sure. Usually I always give him some meat if he gets like attacked or something. I need raw fish. I just cooked all my fish. He'll stay around. Yes, chickens. They're fine. Can you you want me to kill this one? Here. Yeah, that's why I got two. Because my chicken just got out. Oh, come back. Come to me. Just run away. You're gonna die. Oh, it does more damage. It's 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 actually a it's not a bow, it's a launcher. No! My cow. Here, take a leash. Right here. Get the cow. My dog should keep him away. A chicken? Oh, I got it closed. Here. Okay. I'm gonna get this chicken. Baby sheep. No, 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 no. Close it. There. Good. Oh, it's so hard doing all this. Where did my other leash go? Oh, do you have it? Yeah. That's fine. My dog should... I'll just kill this chicken. I already have 2 in there. All I need is sheep and a cow. 1 more sheep and 1 more cow. Yeah. You can have it. I've already got a bunch. And I'm gonna get a bunch. What? You wanna help me build my hotel? I'm stealing him. Aw. My dog made him run away. Can I... Oh, you can't get him with a leash. I don't need him. I'll kill him for you. You can have the chicken and stuff, but all I really need is just... I need raw salmon. Yes! Thank you. Where did he go? Sit! I'm gonna name him Rougher. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna name him... Should I name him Ronan? Dang it, I just fed him. Where is the cat? I only have 1 piece. Do I have to drop it? No! I just need 1. Yeah, I was gonna say, go get some bones. Oh, I have like 50. You can have some. Dang it, 1 wasn't enough. Oh, here's 1 sheep. That's what I needed. And my controller won't stop. Okay. Oh. There's a cow right here. Oh. Oh, over there. I was like, I just killed the cow. Oh, he's right here. Oh, no. I have a sheep. No, 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 no. No! Here, do you want the mutton? Here. I saw his eyes and I was like, is he mad at me? And then I remembered, oh crap, I have a sheep. Bones? How many? Like 5? I'll get you 5. 5's good. Yo, all I needed was 1, and I had 3. It's very dangerous keeping going out there. I'll give you 4. It's probably enchanted. I'm coming. I can kill it. Where is my dog? Where? Over here? Oh, okay. Here, I got more. I've got 3 more. Oh, okay. I couldn't feed him. Ugh! What is it doing? Eat your dog? Oh. Oh no. I need to dye my dog. I need to dye my dog's collar. There's 2 creepers right here. Oh, and he blew up. Well, it's fine. I'll fix it later. Come on, we need to sleep. No, they're focusing on my dog. No! No, 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 no. They're gonna kill my dog. Oh no. Okay, I'm running. Why? Where's my dog? He died? Oh, I'm staying then. I wouldn't be mad about that. They killed my dog? That was your dog? No. No, it killed mine. It's just the skeletons. That's all it is. Gotta go to my house. Oh! Man, your dog's good. Here, let me get him. Let me get him. No, let me get him. We gotta hurry. Come on. After we go to sleep, I'll have to end the video. It's fine if your dog doesn't come in. He'll teleport. Well, just go to sleep. Why? No, we're gonna do it next time. Okay, I gotta end the video now, so bye.